Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you this fun shaker card using the Trimming the Tree bundle. Here's my shaker card using the Trimming the Tree bundle. The Trimming the Tree bundle is available during September, and after September 30th the dies go away. So make sure you get this amazing collection of dies that goes with the Trimming the Tree stamp set before it's gone. So for this card, I have already cut out the largest stylish shapes circle. And now I'm going to emboss it with the wintry embossing folder. The wintry embossing folder comes in a set of two. This pine branch embossing folder, and then there's a folder with snowflakes. So I'm going to run this through twice so I can get the pattern on both sides. So I'm just going to insert this in here and put my number 4 plate on top. And now I'm just going to move it over to the other side. It just seems to fit nicely that way and make it look like there's no break in the pattern. Okay, now that I have my embossed pattern on here, I'm going to add a window sheet. And this window sheet measures 4 by 3 3/4. And because the paper has been embossed, it tends to rip easier. So I'm just going to go super slow and carefully around the edge of the circle. And then place this on top. Making sure it's sealed really well so nothing gets through. And then I like to take just a little cleaning cloth for glasses or phones and clean this part off. Then we get to use these fun foam adhesive strips. They make creating these shaker cards super easy. And so I'm just going to go around the edge of the circle with the foam strip. So we'll need a little bit more. Okay, so now for the back, I'm going to use the shimmery white paper that comes in a pack with white and red. And I'm just going to kind of measure where I want to put this. So I'm going to place this down where I want it. And then I'm going to try to adjust this to fit because I kind of made it really tight. So I'm going to push it over this way a little bit. Okay. And so that's going to be my fun shimmery background here. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some of the sequins. So I have some of these blue sequins and some of the sparkle and shine sequins. So I'm just going to grab a pinch of the sparkle and shine. These are currently on sale on the weekly deals until the 29th for $5.95. And then I'm gonna add 2 pinches of the blue ones. Flatten those out a little bit. And then I can remove the backing. And I'm just gonna clean this again, make sure this is clean. And place this on. There'll be a little bit of static cling, but just make sure that this is good and sealed. And then we can wipe the front. And there we have the sugar portion of our card. Super fun. All right, now I'm just going to stamp the large tree in Coastal Cabana and stamp it on the Coastal Cabana. And then I'm going to emboss it with silver. So I've got my embossing items ready here. And I'm just going to use my handmade little cornstarch piece here, just in case the ink comes off, because I don't want it to come off on my buddy. Now I'm going to use the smaller detailed tree, and I'm going to line this up here. And then we'll emboss it. We will also emboss the peace and joy sentiment. Okay, now I have all my pieces to put the card together. So we'll use dimensionals. This one I'm just going to cut the top off, cut the bottom off, and I'm just gonna stick this right in there. So that I can get these nice and tight together. I'll just add peace and joy right here. And then last but not least, I want to add some of these of these adhesive pearls. I'm going to use the silver ones. And there is my shaker card using the Trimming the Tree bundle. I'm also offering 2 other card designs in my card class that you can receive for free when you purchase this bundle using my current host code or any of the other Perfect Partners promotion bundles. Just email me and let me know that you would like this kit and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time.